Hey friends, back at you here, Gary with SKA3D. It's going to show you a little something that's going on in the shop today. We got some wood tags just in order trying to finish up on the X tool over here. And then we get the 3D printers going. There's a Prusa Mini, and over here we get the Creality K1 Max. This is a beast of a machine. Prints super fast. We've got a Easter egg going right here, multicolored filament, pretty cool. And then we got over here, we get three more minis going. Just doing a little fun pinatas, a little bit of product. And let's see here, we got a little hat we did yesterday for the solar eclipse. Be great to get some orders on these. And then we got another two printers over here firing up for another small order. And then back over here, finally, to the end, is the last printer, getting ready for another small order. Awesome, thanks for watching.